team, FULLEST is again Amy FULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I want to come and share with you guys some of my hair growth recipe. I have been using this, excuse the quality, I'm filming my mobile phone, so please excuse the quality of this video. I want to come and show you guys how I do my rice water mixture to help promote hair growth. I have been using this on my kids' hair for a very long time. I'll put a picture maybe on the video, maybe during the video I'll put some pictures to show you guys how my daughter's hair is looking. My youngest is 2 years old now, and her hair is long. When I say long, her hair is, when you pull the hair, it comes all the way here. Her hair is long, and I have been using this on her hair now for quite a while. Since she was a little baby, I started using this because I have been seeing this rice water recipe going around for a long time. Even before I make mine and start using on my hair, I have been using it on her hair. The way I see it works on her hair, the way I see her hair grows really, and the hair is becoming very soft. The hair is looking really nice. That is what actually inspired me to use it on my own hair, which I upload that video on YouTube here. You guys have definitely seen that video, which I did the overnight rice water hair growth challenge. But of course, there's nothing, your hair is not going to grow overnight from this to this. No, it's actually, it's a process. You have to keep on using it gradually, and you will see the results. And that is what I have been doing with my daughter's hair. Her hair is looking so beautiful. Her hair is long. Both the girls, I have two girls, and I've been using it on their hair, especially when I have protective hairstyle on their hair and I don't feel like losing the hairstyle. So I use the spray bottle to spray the hair to make sure the hair stays moisturized and the hair doesn't dry out, because we're now in the summer. Of course, it's warmer, it's drier. So I want to come and share with you guys that recipe that I use. I hope you all will like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook page. All the links will be down in the description box. And I've been also using that same hairspray, water hairspray, on my own hair. I did shave my hair, even though I promised not to do it. I did shave my hair a couple of 4 or 5 days ago, because my hair was getting longer, and the plan was, when I cut my hair, I wanted to leave it to grow a little bit and then go to the barber and let them shape it really nice. But because of everything that is going on, all the shops are closed, the barber shop are closed, so I couldn't go to the barber, and my hair was just growing, and I didn't want it to grow longer because I wanted to keep it shorter for the summer. So I take the hair shaver I used. I didn't cut a lot, I just went with a hair shaver just a little bit, so that it doesn't look like a big fro, because that is not the intention that I wanted to that is not my intention for the summer. I wanted to keep it short and then grow it out in the winter, not in the summer. But I didn't, all the shops are closed, so I did shave it off a little bit. But I have been using the rice water spray, and I've also been using my hair growth oil mixture, which of course I'll be back to show you guys a hair growth mixture that I've been using to help my hair grow. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys will like this video. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up, and let's jump into the tutorial, me showing you guys how to make this recipe. This is again Amy FULLEST, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye. So now I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my rice water. So I have here my jojoba oil. I have my Jamaican black castor oil. I have my peppermint essential oil, and I have a cup of rice. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my rice water spray. I have this container which I use. This container was actually hair protective spray bottle, but I threw out the hair protective spray bottle so that I can use this container, just because this container do close. For example, when you press this button, um this side, it pumps out water like this, as you guys can see. But when you push this side, it's closed. It's not coming. It's not working. It's not coming. Everything is just closed. So this is better for me, because the kids, whilst the kids, they know that they can spray it, so they end up using all the spray on their face and on their body. So because this one is can close, so the kids don't can't open it on their own. So that's why I really love this container, and this is what I have been using now. So this is my rice waters. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare. So I have made this cup. First, what I like to do, I'm going to pour my rice in this cup. As you guys can see, when I pour the rice in the cup, this is how it looks, as you guys can see. So now what I like to do, I like to start first by washing my rice. So I'm going to first wash my rice, just like the way you normally wash your rice. I just put water, and I just take my hand and just like get first that first white starch on the rice. Just get it out, the dirt. This is how I normally do. Some people just like to um use this, just soak the rice and use the water. But I like to rinse it first. As you guys can see, this is how it looks. The water is a little bit darker, so I'm just going to throw that water away and just put another little bit of water in it and just rinse it. So now that I have rinsed the rice, so this is what the rice is looking. So I want to get a water that can fill this container, because I don't have an excess container. So what I like to do, I like to fill the water in this container and then pour it in. So now this container is full. I'm just going to take that water and pour in. Just take a little bit more. And this is what I like to do. So now we are going to leave this rice water to settle down. We're going to leave this rice water to settle down for a few hours before ever we add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to close it. I'm just going to take me some plastic, and I'm just going to close it like this. And then what I like to do, I'm just going to put it in the corner, let it soak, put all my ingredients in the corner, everything, the bottle that I don't need this cup anymore, so I'm just going to put that one aside. So I'm just going to let the rice soak for few hours. Maybe I'm just going to leave it to soak till the next morning, and then the next morning I'm going to pour it into the container and then add the rest of the ingredients. So this is how I personally like to do it. I like everything to soak down before ever I um put it into the container and add the rest of the ingredients. So but you can leave it for overnight, or you can leave it for a few hours. I like to leave it for overnight, because that is what I've been doing all this while, leaving it for overnight. So I'm gonna leave it for overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to put everything back into the container and then add the rest of the ingredients. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. So guys, so I have soaked the rice water for a day now. So now it's time to put the rice water in the container and then put the rest of the ingredients. I've emptied the container, there's nothing in it. So I'm just going to take, you guys can see the rice is soaked. Let me take a spoon to show you guys. The rice is really soaked, it's very soft. So I'm just going to use that water I'm just going to pour the water into the container. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pour. This is what I normally do. I just pour the water into the container. Just pour it. I try not to get everything, not to make it full, because I also want to leave a little bit of space where I can add some of the oils. Yeah, just a little bit of space. As you guys can see, the rice water is stopped here. So now what I do, I take this it's easy to pour the oils into the container. So I take this one. So I have my peppermint oil, and first I like to shake it. I'm going to put like 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Just gonna put one. So we're gonna put that, and then I'm going to put 1 spoon of Jamaican black castor oil. This spoon is very big, so 1 is enough. I'm not even gonna make it to be very full, because we just want a little bit of oil. So you guys can see this much. I just pour that into this container. And now I'm going to put a spoon of the jojoba oil. This one I'm just gonna like make sure the spoon is like full. And then I'm just gonna pour this in. So I'm gonna take the back of the spoon, just gonna mix everything together. Like, you can actually smell the peppermint and the black castor oil. Like, the peppermint smell is very strong, which of course I like peppermint. That really helps stimulate the hair growth. So now that we've mixed everything together, I'm going to use it, and I'm just gonna pour it into the container like that. Make sure I get everything in. So now that I've poured that, there's still a little bit space. You see, you guys can see there's still a little bit space. I'm going to put some of the rice water just to top it up. Yeah. And now I'm going to take the container. I'm just going to close it. And I'm just going to shake. So this is how I mix my rice water. I use this on my daughter's hair. And what I'm going to do with this rice, I'm just going to throw this away, because I don't really have any use of this one anymore. I'm just going to throw it away. If you want, you can mix also these 3 ingredients together to make a hair oil to help stimulate hair growth. But the rice water really helps, especially when it's time to detangle the hair, it's time to wash the hair. It is very easy to use. So you can, like I was saying, you can mix these 3 ingredients together to make like an oil to moisturize your hair, or to oil your hair, which of course I do have a separate container which I do mix these 3 ingredients together to use it to oil the girls their scalp, to oil their head. But this one is more on when I want to detangle the hair, or when I have the hair on a protective hairstyle like twist or braiding, and I want to keep the hair moisturized guys, I use this on my daughter's hair, and you guys can see this container do close like this. It do close, so when it close, the girls can't spray it on their own. So I really like this is what I've been doing to actually help for my daughter's hair grow. My daughter is she's 2 years old. The oldest is 5 years, the youngest is 2, and both of them, their hair is very, very long and very, very beautiful. I always get questioned like, what do you use on your daughter's hair? The hair is so nice. This is what I have been using now for like months and months and months on the little girl's hair and the older one as well. So yeah, this is how I make my rice water with some ingredients for helping to promote hair growth. So if you guys like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. This is your girl Amy Fullest, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.